parrot, a bird that can speak like a human's. The god for ancient Chinese dynasty. Their screaming is part of their spying networks. Their ability to scream to a stranger makes them senior crime investigators of the jungle. In whatever sound they make, it has a clear meaning in their criminal language of the jungle. Their bright and beautiful features were kept as a symbol of royalty or wealth in Caribbean nation and ancient Chinese dynasty. This looks like a quarrel, but they are in love. They start their relationship as early as 6 months of age. Mala Parrot has to convince her very well if they are to fall in love. It's a mouth-watering task. The diversity in how to make love in animals is phenomenal. It looks like he has failed to convince her, and then she takes off. He waits for another opportunity to come in the near future.